Hello people, I'm Samuel C and welcome to my web design and development tutorial class. It's going to be a series of web development and web design tutorials using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I'm going to be taking you through the fundamentals. It doesn't matter if you already have knowledge of HTML, CSS, or you're still a novice. You're trying to learn HTML and know what it's all about. In this tutorial, I'm going to help you through all that. And I'm going to be pointing you to the right tools. Who is this tutorial for? This tutorial is for everybody. It doesn't matter your line of study, your academic background, and it doesn't matter your occupation, your line of occupation. Anybody can be a web designer and developer. Anybody. And it's a good idea to learn web development because you can create your own websites, your own web pages for your business. You format your web page anyhow you want it without hiring a web developer. And besides, web development is one of the sought after skills, digital skills in the world today. So having the skill isn't a bad idea. You should take this opportunity and start learning now. It isn't that hard. Web development is not hard. You just need to pay attention and be willing to learn, and you'll be on your way. Oh, I know most of you that might be watching this might not have a computer, PC to do this. Or let me tell you that these days you don't just need a PC to do HTML editing. These days you can use your smartphone. I'm going to be also showing you an app you can use for smartphone. There are many apps, but I'm going to just show you things that I'm going to be using for this tutorial so that we'll be on the same page and there won't be confusions. So for PC, we are going to be needing a HTML editor. Okay, we are going to be needing a HTML editor for PC and a browser. Okay, a browser that has internet, web page inspection feature. Okay, and this browser could be Chrome or Explorer, Edge. I mean, Edge browser by Windows, or it could be Opera Mini. No, not Opera Mini. Opera browser. Opera Mini is for mobile. Okay. So for the HTML editor, there are many editors for HTML editing. Okay, there are many types of editors or IDE. But the one I'm going to be pointing you to is um, is called Notepad++. I won't consider Notepad++ um, an IDE. I would say it's just a text editor that has been given extra features by its developer to enable it run coding or HTML editing. So that's what we are going to be using. Okay, we're going to be using Notepad++. The main reason is because I see it as a simple editor. Okay, it doesn't come with complications or lots of settings. It's just a smooth and easy to use editor. Okay, so to download Notepad++, I'll just search for it, Notepad++. Okay, okay, this is the website. Just come here. These are the different versions. I think this at the top is the latest version. I think 8.8.1 for now. So I'm not going to download this. Okay, I'm not, because I already have it. You should be able to download and install. I know everybody. I think everybody that has a PC can do that. Or should I just show you how it's done? I don't know how long it's going to take to download. Um, okay, I think this download button. Okay, you see, it's not a heavy app, just 6.5 MB. Is it? Okay, it's on. So, open. You can change the destination if you want by pressing this button here and choose the destination folder that you want to save it in. Next, you can create shortcuts on desktop. You see, I already have Notepad++ on my PC, so that's why it's not going to download. So I'm just going to close this. So now you know how to download and install Notepad++. Let's continue. This is what the interface looks like. The user interface looks like. What else? What else should we do after this? I've gotten my HTML editor downloaded into my PC. The next thing is to create a folder. You should create a folder in the PC for this tutorial and for for other projects when you're still learning or done learning, you should have a folder. So to open a folder, you right click on documents, then come to new, go to folder, and I'm going to name this web dev just for this tutorial. You can name yours any other thing, but for us to be on the same page, just name it, give it the same name I gave to my own. You see, web dev, exactly like this. Okay, we are good to go. So our folder is ready, but it's empty. So for people that are going to be using smartphones to do the editing, I recommend this editor called HTML editor. You go to your Play Store, your Google Play Store on your PC or mobile. This is the PC version, so it looks like this on PC. Okay, looks like this on PC. On mobile, the UI might look different, the user interface, but it's still the same thing. Look for this logo. This is what it looks like, the logo. Then let me click on one of these pictures. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like when you download it. So this is like the preview pictures on Google Play Store. Okay. So with all this in place, you are ready. You are ready to learn. You are ready to start HTML design. Web design and development. Okay, just remember, you can do this. You don't have to be a mathematician or a scientist to do web development. It will do a whole lot of good to learn this digital skill. You're not going to regret it. Okay, so just do well to subscribe to my channel, like this video, follow me up, and let's do this together. Don't forget to share to anyone you think that might gain from this tutorial. Okay.